Let me guess, you have updated your Fedora system and you're getting something like this. Am I right? So some of you guys have been experiencing this. So let me show how this can be fixed. I don't have I was not able to exactly reproduce the problem. So I will show you the solution in a alternative way. Okay. So I have here a similar system. Okay, this system is actually working, is functional, but in your case, you will be seeing, you will be just on Fedora boot, you will see just this issue. Okay, which is fine. I'm going to show the solution. Okay, so this is a functional machine, but in your case, you will be seeing that blue screen with white squares, and this is a command you need to issue. Okay, I'm going to put this a little bit bigger. So basically it's, oh shit, I did it even worse. But the command is systemctl restart, stop that, systemctl restart systemd login dot service. Okay, so let me see if I can get my my fonts bigger for you guys to see if you're watching this in a vertical form. Okay, now everybody can see it. Okay, so this is a command systemctl restart systemd login dot service. But of course, you are looking at a blue screen with white squares. So what you're going to do? You're going to do Control Alt F2, for example. So what you want to do here is to find some sort of non-graphical console. So you are looking at your blue screen with white squares. Do Control Alt F1, F2. Just find a login screen like this on text mode. Just do your regular root login and just type the command. Okay, so just go ahead and type the command. I'm going to show the command again. So I'm going back to the to my console. So just type this: systemctl restart systemd login dot service. So just go to this console here, systemctl restart login what was the name? Oh, of course, systemctl systemd login dot service. So I'm running out of time here for the short video, but here we go. You just do systemctl restart systemd login dot service. So if you're watching this in the short form, go and check it out. If you're looking on a long form, I'm now going to experiment. You can also watch the long form. Bye. So yeah, now for the people who stuck with the long form, so you just go back to that. So restart systemd login dot service, systemd login dot service. You do this, and you and well, of course, I did it myself, and the effect was felt. Okay, so basically, this is going to fix your issue, hopefully forever. If not, until there is a more permanent fix on the next updates, you should not suffer the issue. So if you just updated your Fedora system and you're getting that situation that I just shown you, I cannot reproduce the issue in my systems. But you see this, you're not seeing that. So if in your systems you see this, just go back to go there, just control Alt F2, F3, just get some sort of working text login prompt. Just do the systemctl restart login d, blah blah blah, just like I showed you, and the boot should carry on as normal. Okay, so hopefully this fix it permanently. If you have to do that in every login, well, at least you can log in with no issue. Hopefully a fix will come out soon and your problem will be permanently sorted out. Hope this helps everybody out there. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Like, subscribe, and comment, it really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.